What's up guys, I am Matt from 3D Print Farming. In this video I'm going to be unboxing and setting up the Bambu Lab P1S Combo printer. Now the Combo is still the same thing as the regular P1S printer, the only difference is this box has the AMS unit included with the printer. I'm not going to waste any time with a long intro, the only thing I ask is that you hit that like button and hit that subscribe button. Let's get into it. I really got this packed in here tight. I'm not complaining. I prefer it be good packaging versus bad packaging. So now let's go ahead and open this box and we'll see what's inside. And here's everything included in that box. I'm not going to waste too much time going over it, so feel free to pause the video if you are curious. The only thing from this box I need right now is this longer Allen key so I can take out these two screws with the orange arrows so I can remove the AMS unit. So once you have those removed, you should be able to just pull out the AMS unit, get rid of that. Just like that, we have the Bambu Lab AMS unit. So now that we have the AMS unit removed, we are going to have to remove 4 more screws, all being pointed at by the orange arrows. Once you remove all 4 of those screws, you should be able to just pop this out. Just like that. And this is the final piece I'll need to remove. We'll be able to remove these pieces once we start up the printer. The print bed will move up and then we can just pull them out. All right, so I'm not gonna turn this printer on in here. I'm gonna take it over into my other room to set it up. And this is where I'll be setting it up. As you can see, I already have 2 other P1Ss. This is my 3rd one. So if you're wondering if this is a good printer, the only thing I can say is I wouldn't have purchased a 3rd if I didn't like them. All right, and at this point, we are almost done. We just need to remove 3 more screws on the print bed that the orange arrows are pointing at. We have to assemble the front screen. We have to plug in the AMS unit, and then we are good to power on the printer. And then before you close this up, make sure you open these and take these out of the plastic bags. So now the final step is to turn this printer around, attach the AMS unit to the printer, and then plug it in. So now we're going to take this set of cords. We're going to have one with 2 6-pin connectors and then one with 2 4-pin connectors. So first we'll do the 4-pin connection, which will go right here. Come on. And over here. Then we'll do the 6-pin connection, which goes right here. And the other end into the AMS unit. Then you're going to take your Bowden tube from the AMS unit and plug it in right here. Or not plug it in, push it in. And now we are good to plug this printer in and turn it on. Now it's going to go through a couple prompts. It's going to make sure you removed all of the screws from the build plate, and that's going to ask you to either create or sign into your Bambu Studio account, so go ahead and do that. And once you're finished with that, it's gonna ask you to run the self-test, and we will click start. The build plate should move up just like that, and now we can go ahead and remove these styrofoam pieces, get those out of there. And now we're gonna sit back and let it run through its self-test. At some point, this is gonna start shaking and making a lot of loud noises. Don't worry, that's just what it's supposed to do. It's not about to blast off into space. That's just a part of the self-test. See, this is what I'm talking about. If you hear your printer doing this, do not worry. Like I said, it's not about to blast off. It's just, this is just a part of the self-test. All right, and that's it. We have the self-test complete. Your printer is ready. Enjoy printing. Now, all we need to do is load up some filament into the AMS unit and we can print out a test print. And now we need to pick out a spool of filament to print this benchy with. Let's go with the included Bambu Lab PLA. This was included with my old P1S, so let's just go ahead and use this. So now I have my filament loaded up and I can go ahead and find the benchy in the list of pre-sliced files, which should be right here. So let's go ahead and print this. And there we go. The benchy is all finished. Check out that quality. Pretty much perfect. And here it is, the first test print on the Bambu Lab P1S. If you enjoyed this unboxing and setup video, make sure to hit that like button, and if you want to continue supporting the channel, hit that subscribe button. As always, thanks for watching.